I think the second activity has been completed successfully by now. Let's see how I did it. First, click on the Start Project button. When the site loads, click on the How It Works button. If you are a mobile phone user, turn on rotation and keep the mobile phone horizontally. Now you have entered the Sprite Lab. Next, click the Remix button. Now, click the Rename button. From here, you can change the name of your project and name it as Swimming Fish. Now, click the Save button here. You are ready to start the project now. First, we need a background of a seabed. For that, click on the World button. Thereafter, click on the block called Set Background and drag it near when run. Now, click on this small arrow and select the image of a seabed. So now we have added the background. Now let's add the sprite of garbage in the seabed. Now let's add the sprite of garbage in the seabed. For that, click on Sprites. Then drag the block that says Make New Sprite Add and place it below the Set Background To block. We now need to select the correct sprite. First, click on the small arrow in the Make New Sprite Add block. Now, select this sprite. Now, let's make the command to make the garbage disappear when we click on it. Click on Events. Now, the When Clicked block is dragged onto the workspace. Now I click this little arrow. The garbage is selected. So next, we drag the block called Remove from the Sprite section like this and place it below the When Clicked block. Remember to click this arrow and select the correct sprite like this. Okay, now we need to get 8 fish onto the background. I clicked on Loops. Now the block called Repeat 10 times is dragged below the Remove block. Since we need 8 fish, let's type 8 here like this. Now you know how to add a sprite. So let's click on Sprites under Block. Then drag the block that says Make New Sprite Add and place it below the Repeat 8 times block. We now need to select the correct sprite. First, click on the small arrow in the Make New Sprite Add block. Now select this fish. I will drag and delete this yellow part, the Location block. We use the Random Location block to place a sprite in different positions. Now, I click the button called Locations. Now, we drag the Random Location block and connected it to the Make New Sprite Add block like this. Look, now we have 8 fishes. I clicked on Behaviors. Now, I drag the Sprite Begins block like this. Now click on this little arrow and select the fish. Now I clicked on Behaviors again. I will pick the Swimming left and right block and bring it next to the Sprite Begins block. Now let's click on the Run button and click on the seabed. Look how beautiful it is to see these 8 fishes swimming around. Don't forget to WhatsApp us your design to the phone number Note 76 812 5244. See you soon with another interesting lesson. Have a good day.